Hello student, my name is Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer, and today's topic is microbes in human welfare. First question, which of the following fungi is used for the production of citric acid? Lactobacillus, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Rhizopus. Rhizopus is bread mold. Penicillium is used in the preparation of antibiotic, and lactobacillus, it helps to convert milk into curd, and the citric acid is produced from aspergillus. Its complete name is Aspergillus niger. Second question, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for commercial production of butanol, ethanol, methanol, acetic acid, and the answer is ethanol. We should remember one thing, yeast, its scientific name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is used in the preparation of alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. We call it as ethanol from glucose. Coming to third question, which of the following bacteria convert milk into curd? Propionibacterium, Saccharomyces, Lactobacillus, none of this. Saccharomyces is yeast. Propionibacterium help in the formation of cheese. Lactobacillus is the answer. Lactobacillus, which help to convert milk into curd. Lactobacillus is also called as lactic acid bacteria. Question number 4. Penicillin is the first antibiotic. We know that it is the first antibiotic. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming, Robert Fleming, Gregor Mendel, William Harvey. It is knowledge based question and the answer is Alexander Fleming. Fifth question, Swiss cheese is formed by the bacterium Aspergillus niger, Lactobacillus, Propionibacterium shermani, Penicillium, and we know the answer is Propionibacterium shermani. Sixth one, brewer's yeast is, 1 second here, already we discussed about yeast. This yeast is used in the preparation of alcohol, and then we call this yeast as brewer's yeast. It's called as brewer's yeast. Whereas the same yeast when used in the preparation of bread, we call it as baker's yeast. So brewer's yeast is Aspergillus fumigatus, Penicillium notatum, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Streptococcus. This is yeast, Saccharomyces. So this is the answer. Coming to seventh question now. Which one of the following alcoholic drink is produced without distillation? Yes, this we should remember. Okay, alcoholic drinks, once alcohol is prepared by yeast, it can be subjected to the process of distillation. Distillation increases the concentration of alcohol, or without distillation. The example for alcoholic beverages prepared without distillation, we can take, one is wine, another is beer. And with the distillation, we can take whiskey, rum, brandy. These are the commercial products. Let us see in the options now. Wine, whiskey, rum, brandy, and the answer is wine. Eighth one. Which one of the following antibiotic was extensively used to treat American soldiers wounded in World War II? And we know that the only antibiotic, penicillin, streptokinase, penicillin, statin, neomycin. Penicillin is the answer. Ninth question. Gobar gas contains mainly. Gobar gas is commonly called as biogas. Why it is called as gobar gas? Because it is prepared from cow dung. In Hindi, cow dung is called as gobar. Gobar gas contains mainly CH4 and CO2, methane and carbon dioxide, CH4 and O2, O2 is oxygen, CH4 and H2, H2 is hydrogen, CH4 and SO2, sulfur dioxide. And the answer is methane and carbon dioxide.